Hello friends, today I want to show you how to install an OBD emulator on a Porsche 992. The installation will be by welding, so be sure to disconnect the car battery before starting the process to avoid short circuit. Also, look carefully at all the details in the video. Before installation, check all control units with a diagnostic tool. As you can see, the original mileage is 1185 kilometers. Double check the control units. Now let's move on to the installation process. The main cable of the speedometer system is located in this part of the car. On the left side of the driver's legs, remove the cover and see the main system cable. Here it is. Remove the insulating tape wrapped around it. Then separate these two wires, orange and red, and cut them. Prepare wires for welding. The blocker package will also include color and wiring diagram instructions. Let's take the blocker and prepare it for welding. Let's start the welding process. We connect the wires exactly like this, white on red and green on orange. The next two wires are blue and yellow as follows: yellow on red and blue on orange. After that, connect the electric mass. Let's connect the minus to this brown wire and the plus to this purple-red cable. Everything is ready. Be sure to rewrap all cables with insulating tape. That's all. The installation process is complete. Now we read out all the values with a diagnostic tool to check that the values are correct. After reading out the values for the first time, the value 0.000 is displayed in the ABS, brake electronics. This value is incorrect, because as you can see here, the value should be 1,185 kilometers. We now read out all the values a second time. It is important to read out twice after installation. The second time, the correct mileage is displayed in the ABS. Now there are no deviations in the mileage. Now we read out the value of the instrument cluster and the internally calculated distance. As you can see, all values match the value shown in the odometer. So, guys, thanks for watching the video. We hope we could help you. See you in the next video.